Welcome back, everybody. Jonathan Stocks here with Travel Hodgepodge. Today I have Gavin with me, and whoo, have we got a show for you. Because today, yes, today, we are going to kick off our New York series with
a Cheesecake Showdown!
Times Square Edition. First up is Junior's Famous Cheesecake.
That's awesome. Yeah, I think that was my strawberry.
Look at these giant pieces of strawberry they put on here. This is no joke. Needless to say, Junior's Cheesecake was absolutely fantastic. Perfect bite with a little bit of strawberry and the cheesecake put together. But now let's see what the competition has to offer. We're now down at Buddy Velastro's place, Carlos Bake Shop. We're gonna see whose cheesecake reigns supreme, Carlos's or Junior's. Okay, so we just finished having Junior's Cheesecake. We're gonna put it up against Buddy Velastro's restaurant, Carlos's Cheesecake. Let's see which one's better. At first I thought this was gonna be way too sweet. Quite the opposite. Maybe we could use a little bit more sweetness. You wanna share the strawberry on top?
Yeah, we can share.
You can have the first bite. That's love.
I wish I had more strawberries.
One strawberry is not
It's good though, I love strawberries.
Let's discuss which one we like better. By unanimous vote, we're gonna go with
Junior's.
Junior's. Definitely Junior's.
Yeah, if you want that New York experience, Junior's it is. I'm craving it already.
If you're in Manhattan, you have to get the cheesecake at Junior's. The strawberry cheesecake is amazing.
That's gonna do it for this episode. Please like my Facebook page and share my video. If you are watching on YouTube, hit subscribe.
Okay, that's gonna do it for this episode.
I already did all that, Daddy.
You did what?
All those words. Can you get some cheesecake?
We don't have any, but we have string cheese. We can pretend it's cake.